Hi everyone, Lori Gagne at BGM Real Estate Team at RE/MAX Affiliates. Welcome to 188 Owl Drive in the beautiful Hunt Club Western Community area. Come on in, take a look. This beautiful home has been updated and refreshed. Hardwood floors on the main, 3 good-sized bedrooms upstairs, den downstairs with a gas fireplace. My favorite part, right across the street from 2 elementary schools and a huge park. Thanks for taking the tour of the home with us. For more information on this beautiful home, just go to our website in the description below or give us a call, 613-558-8000. Don't forget to share.